How to add theme showcase in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add theme showcase in your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account. After that, you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. And then you will be redirected to your website dashboard. And then you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. And then you will be on your website dashboard. This is my website dashboard. So now I'm gonna add new section. So let's say I want to add my theme showcase in here. So I'm gonna click add section here. And then we're gonna click add an element. And then you can just search theme. And you will find here theme, theme section. You can click on it. And as you can see, this is the theme showcase. There are some styles here, some options. You can choose whatever you want. So yeah, it's a lot of them. You can choose whatever you want. Maybe you want like this or like this. It's up to you. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna drag and drop. So it's like this, I think it's cool. Maybe your member is more than four. You can just, copy it and paste it. So now you can change the picture of the theme. You can just click it and click change image, and then you can just upload the image. So for example, I'm gonna choose maybe this one for example, and it will change, and then you can, change it to your theme's pictures. Then also you can change the description, the name of your theme, and also you can change the link. So you can click set social links here, and then you can change the link of each social links, and then you can just click done, and then you can just repeat the process, and also you can try another style if you want. So I think that's it, how to add showcase. So I think that's it, how to add theme showcase in your Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.